Is it time to get your braces off? Are you freaking out? Time for some PFOing so you know where you're going. Okay, so you might be freaking out for two reasons. One is like, thank goodness it's been 2 years, maybe more, and you're just super excited. Or you're like, I'm a little nervous about this. How did I get them off? Let me show you. All right, so you're ready to get them off. We've got this little plier in our office where it's kind of like got these teeth and you click all the way around. So you might hear some cracking and some popping. It's probably just the bracket breaking away from the glue. And then you can see, oh, look at that. Those are all the brackets with the power chain. That's why it keeps it all together. Not everybody will have that. But then you have that extra glue on the teeth. You can see that there. And then we go to the bottom. There it is. This type of burr is not meant to cut the tooth in a significant way. It can smooth off the glue and a little bit of the teeth. Blows a lot of air, so I get cold. If you get trying to clean up by the gums, then watch out. It might be a little sensitive down there, but very safe procedure. It's not a bad idea to keep your eyes closed during the procedure. I mean, you can watch the TV, but sometimes the dust can come out, and even if you have glasses, sometimes that dust can get in your eyes. So you try to avoid that. You can reduce your risk by keeping your eyes closed. So we go through this whole process of cleaning off all the teeth, and it puts out that like white dust, the glue. Don't worry, we'll clean it all off. Around, look at that, just cleaning off the teeth, and makes your mouth really dry. And we have some of our bite turbos, those little blue dots, we put them on the teeth. Sometimes we do that so that you don't hit brackets on the bottom, right, when you're biting down. And then we take those off at the end, or at some point during the procedure, or treatment. Same thing on the bottom, clean. Look, gums might be a little puffy, so it might get a little bloody. Hopefully not too much, hopefully you've been taking care of your teeth. Then we use a scaler to try and feel the surfaces of the teeth to make sure there's no extra glue. And then at the very end, we offer the opportunity to smooth some of the edges bumps. We're not talking about taking off a lot of tooth enamel. You don't get it back, right? But we are talking about smoothing some edges. It can really enhance the total cosmetic. Total cosmetics, very low risk for significant long-term damage. That means that your teeth can be healthy even after you do it. So we use a slightly different burr, go across those edges. It's hard to get it perfect, but we're trying to go for some symmetry. Right here, the front two teeth should be about the same level. The next two teeth, the lateral incisors should maybe be up just a hair. Need some suction in the back. Quick, I'm drowning. Don't worry, just breathe through your nose if you can. Or ask for suction. Then, not everybody gets the same retainer, but you may choose to do that removable clear retainer. Well, this magic wand, not like Harry Potter, okay, it's called an iTero scanner. There's different types of scanners, intraoral scanners. It goes in your mouth, flashes lights, and it takes pictures of your teeth so that we can build cool retainers off of them. We use this scanner to build the Vivera, which is the Invisalign retainer. Lots of different kinds of plastics. They all can do a good job. So you do the bottom, you do the top, can't see anything there, lots of light. That is what is produced. It's a digital model of your teeth to make the retainer. Pretty cool. Well, there you have it. So it's time for you to get your braces off. Congratulations, you did it. Well, hopefully you did it all the way. Regardless of whether you did it all the way, it is exciting to get your braces off. It's been a long time, hard to keep your teeth clean. Get your braces off, clean them really well, and be committed to retainers, and then enjoy that smile, because it'll make you happy, and it'll make everybody else happy too. Well, that's all I've got. So, if you are looking to go through the braces or tooth straightening, bite beautifying process, come find us, or share this with your friends. If you can't, continue to watch the channel. Subscribe even, so that we can open your eyes to the wonderful world of straight teeth and beautiful bites. That's all I've got. Just a little PFOing so you know where you're going. Packard.